white, a 4-size sheet. White glitter paste. White glitter sheet. Fevicol and glue gun. Let's get started. Take purple paper. Cut paper and into 2 square-shaped pieces. Fold them again and again from opposite side. Like this. Mark and cut it with the help of scissors. Make 4 like this, and join them with the help of glue. And shape them like flower. The strip size paper and fold them again and again from opposite side. Join and shape them like flower. Then put a heart-shaped glitter paper in the center. Put glue on the edge of flower. Take some sparkle. Then scatter it on the flower. Take some stone and put it on the flower. So let's make its branches. Take a 4-size white paper. Then fold it into strips like this. And make 3 strips. Take purple A4 sheet and fold it. Draw half heart shape on paper. And cut it with the help of scissors. Cut 6 shape of heart. Take glitter paper and fold it. Draw heart shape on glitter paper, but the shape is smaller than purple heart. Cut 6 shape of heart from glitter paper. Then put it on purple heart. With the help of glue gun. Like this. Beautiful. Take all strips and put it on flour. Take small flour and put it on strips. Take heart and put it on the strips. Take thread and put it on the top. Beautiful! Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe.